The Pobu folding exercise bike is a space-saving marvel that combines convenience with performance for an exceptional home workout experience. With its 4-in-1 design, users can choose between an upright posture for intense calorie burning or a semi-recumbent position for added comfort. The inclusion of arm resistance bands ensures a full-body workout. This fitness gem doesn't compromise on user convenience. A bottle holder within arm's reach keeps hydration on point, while the compact design is perfect for small living spaces. The bike is fully foldable and equipped with transport wheels for effortless storage and movement between rooms. Constructed with robust steel, the Pobu X bike provides stability for users up to 300 pounds, accommodating heights from 4 feet 11 inches to 6 feet 3 inches. The 8-level adjustable magnetic resistance, coupled with silent flywheels, offers a customizable and noise-free exercise experience. Keeping you informed during workouts, the LCD display tracks time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate. Plus, the integrated iPad holder lets you enjoy your favorite shows while staying motivated. The oversized, adjustable seat cushion ensures comfort for the whole family. With a commitment to customer satisfaction, Pobu offers a 1-year warranty and prompt responses within 24 hours. The X-Bike makes for a thoughtful gift, easy to assemble, move, and store. It's a practical choice for the well-being of your loved ones. Elevate your fitness routine with the Pobu folding exercise bike, where functionality meets compact design for a rewarding fitness journey. If you want to buy it, the link is in the description.
Are you ready to revolutionize your fitness journey? Introducing the Yasuda Indoor Cycling Bike, the perfect blend of innovation, comfort, and performance. In this short video, we'll take you on a journey through the features that make this exercise bike a game-changer in the world of home workouts. Smooth stationary bike experience. Feel the stability and power of a 35-pound flywheel paired with a robust steel frame. The belt-driven system ensures a smooth and quiet ride, allowing you to focus on your workout without disturbing your surroundings. Say goodbye to noisy chain transport and hello to uninterrupted, seamless cycling. Personalized fitness at your fingertips. Achieve the perfect fit with our 2-ways adjustable non-slip handlebar and 4-ways padded seat, accommodating inseam heights between 25 to 35 inches. With a wide range of resistance levels, you can tailor your workout to your preferences, whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, or enhance your cardiovascular health. The Yasuda Indoor Cycling Bike supports up to 270 pounds, ensuring stability and safety for all users. Smart monitoring and entertainment integration. Track your progress effortlessly with the LCD monitor displaying time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer readings. Plus, with the convenient iPad mount, you can enjoy your favorite music or videos while breaking a sweat, making your workout sessions more enjoyable and engaging. Safety features for peace of mind. We prioritize your safety with adjustable cage pedals that keep you secure during fast rides, a resistance bar for quick flywheel stops, and a water bottle holder to keep you hydrated. The thoughtful design ensures that all parts are out of reach for little ones, and the built-in transport wheels make it easy to move the bike wherever you desire. If you want to buy this product, link in description. Versatile workout options. The Kurono exercise bike boasts a 16-8-2-3 feature set, offering 16 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, 8 seat height adjustments, 2 seat angle adjustments, and 3 posture variations: upright, recline, and folding. Tailor your exercise routine to your preferences and training goals, whether it's an intense upright session or a more laid-back reclined posture. The inclusion of arm and leg resistance bands enhances your workout, targeting upper body and leg strength. Whisper quiet operation. Experience the tranquility of your home workouts with the super quiet non-contact magnetron system, providing 16 levels of gear adjustment. The heavy-duty steel frame, complemented by the X-type design based on physical balance theory, ensures stability and support for up to 330 pounds. Easy assembly for all. Designed for users of all skill levels, the Kurono exercise bike is easy to assemble, with an average assembly time of just 90 minutes. Clear instructions make the process straightforward, catering to adults, seniors, and those less familiar with tools. Enhanced durability. In 2022, Kurono upgraded the seat support structure, reinforcing the product's durability and value. This enhancement ensures a secure and long-lasting user experience, backed by a 1-year warranty and responsive customer support. User-friendly features. The bike accommodates individuals ranging from 4 feet 4 inches to 6 feet 6 inches in height. After your workout, effortlessly fold the bike for minimal storage space, aided by convenient transport wheels. The digital LCD monitor tracks essential metrics, while the built-in phone holder lets you enjoy your favorite shows while exercising. Choose the Kurono stationary exercise bike for a quiet, versatile, and comfortable home workout experience. Your path to fitness has never been more convenient or enjoyable. If you buy this product, link in description. Introducing the Schwinn Fitness Recumbent Bike Series, the ultimate companion for your fitness journey. Packed with cutting-edge features, this recumbent bike is designed to elevate your workout experience and help you achieve your fitness goals. With enhanced Bluetooth connectivity, users can seamlessly set, track, and monitor their progress using popular app-based tracking tools. The bike opens up a world of possibilities with 100+ global routes that auto-adjust in real time to your speed, providing a truly immersive cycling experience. Explore the world subscription required. Compatibility with leading cycling apps like Swift, separate subscriptions required, adds an extra layer of excitement to your routine, making each session engaging and dynamic. The 5.5-inch LCD screen offers a variety of 13 workout programs, ensuring a diverse and challenging workout every time. Customize your workout intensity with ease using the 16 levels of magnetic resistance, catering to users of all fitness levels. The telemetry heart rate feature, along with ergonomically placed grip heart rate sensors, ensures accurate monitoring while maintaining a relaxed riding position during heart rate programs. Enjoy comfort during extended workouts with the contoured seat featuring a large, vented back for a cool and comfortable experience. The weighted strapped pedals provide stability and support, keeping your feet secure throughout your ride. Experience a smooth and quiet workout thanks to the high-speed, high-inertia perimeter-weighted flywheel. The thoughtfully designed recumbent bike not only delivers on performance but also prioritizes user comfort and convenience. For proper care and maintenance guidelines, please refer to the owner's manual included with the product. Should you have any questions or require after-sales support, the manual provides contact information for a hassle-free experience. Take your fitness journey to new heights with the Schwinn Fitness Recumbent Bike Series, where innovation meets comfort, providing you with the tools to pedal your way to a healthier and happier you. If you buy this product, link in description. Introducing the Pubu exercise bike, your ideal companion for achieving your fitness goals in the comfort of your own home. Engineered for a seamless and effective workout experience, this indoor cycling bike combines advanced features with thoughtful design for users of all fitness levels. One standout feature is the ultra-silent magnetic resistance, incorporating a tension control system that allows you to tailor your workout intensity easily. The ergonomic resistance design ensures ultra-smooth and whisper-quiet cycling, making it the perfect choice for home use without worrying about disturbing others. The belt drive mechanism adds to the virtually maintenance-free operation. Enjoy a fully customizable riding experience with the 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebar, providing the most suitable fit for your body. The steel toe-caged pedals with adjustable straps ensure a secure and comfortable grip during your sessions. Safety is a top priority with the emergency stop brake and handlebar adjust tube bump, offering peace of mind during your workout. The multi-use holder conveniently supports tablets, phones, water bottles, and more, while the 2 transportation wheels make it easy to move and store the bike. The digital monitor tracks essential workout data in real time, including exercise time, speed, distance, calories, and pulse. The PUBU exercise bike is designed for healthy choices, offering adjustable resistance to meet the needs of beginners to professionals. Burn fat quickly, strengthen core muscles, and enhance your cardiovascular health with this effective and versatile stationary bike. The multi-grip handlebar, coupled with adjustable resistance, ensures a comprehensive workout for users at every fitness level. Upgrade your home gym with the PUBU exercise bike, where performance meets comfort, providing you with the tools to achieve a healthier, stronger, and more active lifestyle. If you buy this product, link in description,